This is the first. Second, universe is nothing but this very factor, this very entity, let it be God, let it be Khuda, let it be Allah, let it be Brahma, in different forms. Cause, the effects are nothing but cause in different forms. So, the Brahma is, the Khuda is, the God is in different forms. The universe is nothing but the God itself in different forms. The Khuda itself in different forms. The Brahm itself in different forms. Remember, Khuda, God, Brahm is not the creator. No. They are the cause behind the existence of this very universe, and they are means the God, Allah, Khuda, Brahm, whatsoever you made. It is one and one only, which is in different forms manifesting itself as universe. So, God is not sitting anywhere as a personified, individualized entity and creating the universe and throwing it down, or creating us and throwing it down. No. It is that very entity, it must be that very entity. By the logic, we see, which is none other than the universe. It is there in universe. The God is manifesting itself in different effects of the universe. And from the universe, when the God will be removed, there will be non-existence. There will be no existence at all. Think. Think very carefully, think. So, when does it come into existence? There cannot be any time. Because there is no creation, there is only existence, so there cannot be any beginning of creation. And because there is no beginning at all, there cannot be any end. It is from infinite to infinite. Think. God, Khuda, Allah or Brahma is nothing, something outside the universe. In fact, God, Khuda, Brahma is universe, is being manifested as universe. So, all the world, all the universe is nothing but God and God alone, the Khuda and Khuda alone, the Brahm and Brahm alone. And that has been declared by the Quran, the Bible, the Veda. Because it is there in Quran, Bible, Veda, and because it has been told by the Lord Buddha in different way, by Mahavir, by in Jin Sutra, in Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, in Jande Avastha, not only, but also by Lao Tzu, Confucius, Socrates, Aristotle.